Hello YouTube, it's me, Adora. It's been a while since I've posted a video. Anyways, I'm back and new. As you can see, I got my braces off, so I'm happy about that. So I am in Florida right now on vacation with my family, and I've decided to vlog the whole trip. So yeah. Okay, so now we're at Sarah's house. Sarah, please don't yawn. Don't be boring. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes, we are at Sarah's house right now, and we're about to go swimming, so yay! So, we are at this ice cream place right here. Hold on. Right there. There's Sarah. That's Aaron.
Hello.
That's Ali. Now we're back at Sarah's house, and we just bought what did we buy?
Firework.
No. Water balloons. And yeah, so now it's so hot outside too. That's why I'm so sweating. But yeah. Yes, so it's 4th of July, and we have the fireworks ready.
Yeah.
The sun's almost gone, and it's gonna be lit.
Who wants sparkler? Huh?
Me.
You want like that?
Me.
Nah.
I want Is it scary? Run! Oh my God!
Whoa. That was my worst nightmare.
No, that's what happened last time. So it's like one shot.
You got it.
I don't know if we should do both.
What's the, oh. Whoa. Brian. It's crazy. Get away!
That was short.
Oh, that's big. That's a lot. Get it.
Yay! Oh! Whoa. Yeah. I think I might drop my camera. There they go.
Which one is that?
Finale. Whoa! Oh, Sarah! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Did it tilt again?
Yeah. Another firework fail. Like the second one exploded.
It did?
Yeah. Wait.
Yo, I got it. I got it on my Snapchat again. Oh, dang. We almost died twice tonight.
It was cool though.
And crazy.
Yeah.
I was having a heart attack.
Where'd everybody go? Did they go inside?
No.
Did they get scared? And ran inside.
Who got shot in the eye?
Who did? Who did?
I don't know.
It looked like it was like or something.
2 fails in one night. So, are you guys scared to do more?
No, we're doing more.
Oh,
What, am I scared?
no, I'm talking to them. They look scared. They look scared.
Does your dad look scared?
Yeah. That one's a big one too. That's the same thing like the silver one. Whoa, you hear that thunder?
Hell yeah.
You can kind of see it over there.
Huh?
You can kind of see it over there.
What?
But not no more.
Is that midnight? No, midnight.
I could have brought my swimming shorts, but I didn't want to.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, you could just swim in your underwear like the 2 babies did. Ow! So we just got done with the fireworks and it was crazy. And now we're just parked and getting pizza right now, but I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So thanks for watching, goodbye, and see you in the next video or whatever.